Friday, December 5th, 1945. The time 2:10 p.m. 5 U.S. Navy Avenger torpedo bombers, known as Flight 19, take off from a Florida air base on a routine training mission. The skies are clear and the flight plan is simple. But as the planes head toward the Atlantic, something goes terribly wrong. Radio transmissions from the pilots grow increasingly frantic. "We can't find west. Everything is wrong. We don't know where we are." Their compasses spin wildly, giving contradictory readings. And then, silence. Hours later, a rescue plane is dispatched to search for the missing squadron. It too vanishes without a trace. No wreckage is ever found. No bodies are recovered. The incident sends shockwaves across the globe and cements the area known as the Bermuda Triangle as a place of mystery, fear, and fascination. Over the decades, dozens of ships and planes have disappeared in this stretch of ocean, bounded by Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico. Explanations range from rogue waves to extraterrestrial interference, but no definitive answer has ever been found. Could the Bermuda Triangle be a hotspot of natural anomalies, a trap for the unwary? Or is it something far stranger, a place where the rules of physics don't apply? Stay with us as we investigate the myths, realities, and the enduring mysteries of the Bermuda Triangle, the Triangle's troubled waters. The Bermuda Triangle, also called the Devil's Triangle, covers an expanse of the North Atlantic Ocean between Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico. On maps, it's an innocuous area of open water, but in the collective imagination, it's a place of inexplicable disappearances and unsolved mysteries. The story of Flight 19 is perhaps the most famous incident associated with the Triangle. On December 5th, 1945, 5 Grumman Avenger torpedo bombers embarked on a routine training flight. The mission should have lasted only a few hours, but something went catastrophically wrong. Radio transmissions revealed a growing panic among the pilots as their compasses failed and landmarks disappeared beneath a dense fog. Despite extensive searches, neither the planes nor their crew were ever recovered, and Flight 19 was just the beginning. Over the decades, reports of ships and aircraft vanishing without a trace have piled up. In 1918, the USS Cyclops, a Navy cargo ship with over 300 people on board, disappeared while traveling between Barbados and Baltimore. Its last message was chillingly vague. "Weather fair, all well." No wreckage was ever found. What's striking is the lack of evidence. In nearly all cases, there are no mayday calls, no debris, no signs of the victims. This has fueled speculation about what makes the Bermuda Triangle so dangerous. Could it be powerful undersea currents pulling wreckage to the ocean floor? Could weather anomalies like sudden storms or rogue waves play a role? The mystery deepens when you consider the vast technological advancements in navigation and tracking. Even with modern radar, GPS, and sonar, the Triangle seems to defy explanation. It's a place where science struggles to provide answers and where legends take root. But is the Bermuda Triangle truly a unique hotspot of danger? Or could its reputation be the result of coincidence and exaggeration? To uncover the truth, we must dive deeper into the region's natural phenomena and the stories that have shaped its mythology. The natural forces at play. To understand the mysteries of the Bermuda Triangle, we first need to examine the region's unique geography and environmental conditions. The Triangle isn't just a stretch of water. It's part of one of the busiest maritime and aviation routes in the world. This alone increases the odds of incidents occurring, but it doesn't explain the strange circumstances surrounding them. The Gulf Stream and its secrets. One of the Triangle's defining features is the Gulf Stream, a powerful ocean current that flows through the region. Acting like a river within the ocean, the Gulf Stream can reach speeds of up to 5.6 miles per hour, capable of sweeping ships and debris far off course. A shipwreck here could vanish quickly, with wreckage carried hundreds of miles away within days. Could this explain why so many missing vessels are never found? Weather gone wild. The Bermuda Triangle is also known for its unpredictable weather. Sudden, violent storms can appear with little warning, especially during hurricane season. These storms create massive waves, strong winds, and lightning strikes, conditions deadly for ships and planes alike. Additionally, the Triangle lies within a region prone to microbursts, intense downdrafts of air that can slam aircraft into the ocean. Pilots have reported severe turbulence and unexplainable wind patterns. leading some to believe that weather plays a significant role in the disappearances. Magnetic anomalies. Perhaps the most puzzling phenomena reported in the Bermuda Triangle are compass malfunctions. The area is one of the few places on Earth where true north and magnetic north align, potentially causing navigation errors for those unfamiliar with the phenomenon. This natural alignment, known as agonic lines, might confuse pilots and captains who rely on compass readings, leading to fatal mistakes. But could this alone account for the widespread disappearances? Or is there more to the story? While these natural forces provide plausible explanations for some of the triangle's mysteries, they don't account for the eeriest details: vanishing crews, radio silence, and the sheer lack of wreckage. To find those answers, we must explore the myths and theories that have captivated imaginations for decades. Myths, legends, and speculation. The Bermuda Triangle's reputation as a place of mystery isn't just about natural phenomena. Over the years, a host of wild theories have emerged, ranging from the scientific to the supernatural. Extraterrestrial encounters. Some believe that the Bermuda Triangle is a hotspot for UFO activity. The theory suggests that aliens use the area as a portal or base, abducting ships and planes for unknown purposes. Witness accounts of strange lights in the sky or unexplained radar readings have only fueled this idea. Could extraterrestrial involvement explain the vanishing crews and the lack of distress calls? Atlantis beneath the waves. Another popular theory ties the Bermuda Triangle to the fabled lost city of Atlantis. Believers argue that the advanced technology of Atlantis could still exist beneath the ocean, emitting powerful energy fields that interfere with navigation and communication systems. Proponents of this theory point to the so-called Bimini Road, a series of underwater rock formations near the Bahamas, as possible evidence of the ancient city's ruins. Time warps and dimensional portals. One of the most fantastical theories involves time warps or interdimensional portals. According to this idea, the Bermuda Triangle is a place where the fabric of time and space is weaker, allowing ships and planes to slip into alternate realities. Survivors of near misses in the Triangle have described disorienting experiences, including time distortions and a sense of being somewhere else. Man-made explanations. Not all theories rely on the supernatural. Some suggest that the Triangle's reputation is partly due to human error, with navigational mistakes leading to catastrophic accidents. The region's heavy traffic, combined with its unpredictable conditions, creates a perfect storm for tragedy. Others argue that methane gas pockets beneath the seafloor could be responsible. If large amounts of methane are suddenly released, they could create bubbles that reduce water density, sinking ships almost instantly. While this theory remains unproven, it highlights the Triangle's geological complexity. From extraterrestrials to ancient civilizations, the Bermuda Triangle is a magnet for speculation. But as the theories pile up, one question remains. Is the Triangle truly a place of mystery, or has its reputation been exaggerated over time? To answer that, we need to separate fact from fiction and confront the myths head-on. Separating fact from fiction. As we delve deeper into the Bermuda Triangle, the line between myth and reality begins to blur. While wild theories about extraterrestrials, Atlantis, and time warps capture the imagination, scientists and historians have worked to debunk many of these claims and uncover the truth behind the Triangle's enduring reputation. The numbers don't add up. One of the first steps in separating fact from fiction is looking at the data. When researchers examined shipping and aviation records, they found that the rate of disappearances in the Bermuda Triangle is no higher than in any other similarly trafficked region. In fact, given the volume of ships and planes passing through the area, the Triangle's accident rate is surprisingly average. This finding has led many to believe that the Triangle's reputation is the result of media sensationalism. Stories like that of Flight 19, while tragic, have been exaggerated over the years, with details added or distorted to heighten the mystery. The case of Flight 19. Take Flight 19, for example. While the disappearance of the 5 planes and their rescue craft remains unsolved, investigations revealed several critical factors. The flight leader, Lieutenant Charles Taylor, was reportedly disoriented and had a history of getting lost during missions. Compasses in the planes were malfunctioning, likely due to magnetic interference, and poor weather added to the confusion. As for the rescue plane, records show that it was carrying a highly flammable fuel load and likely exploded midair. While the events are tragic, they are not necessarily unexplainable. The power of stories. Another reason for the triangle's mysterious reputation is the human tendency to seek patterns in randomness. The sheer number of incidents in the area, combined with the lack of immediate answers, creates fertile ground for myths and legends to grow. Authors and filmmakers have played a significant role in popularizing the triangle as a paranormal hotspot. Books like The Bermuda Triangle by Charles Berlitz exaggerated or fabricated details, presenting speculation as fact and igniting public fascination. Real dangers in the triangle. This isn't to say the Bermuda Triangle is without risks. The region's unique combination of environmental factors, such as unpredictable weather, strong currents, and magnetic anomalies, makes it challenging for even the most experienced navigators. Additionally, the deep ocean floor in the area makes it difficult to locate wreckage, leading to the impression that planes and ships vanish without a trace. While these factors don't explain every incident, they account for many of the disappearances that have puzzled investigators over the years. So, does the Bermuda Triangle truly deserve its ominous reputation? While science explains much of its mystery, some questions remain. Are these anomalies entirely natural, or could there still be unknown forces at work in this enigmatic region? The enduring mystery of the Bermuda Triangle. After decades of speculation and investigation, the Bermuda Triangle remains an enigma. While science has explained much of its mystery, some aspects continue to defy definitive answers. What we know. The Bermuda Triangle's reputation as a danger zone is more myth than reality. Studies show that the rate of disappearances in the Triangle is no greater than in any other busy maritime or aviation region. Natural phenomena like magnetic anomalies, the Gulf Stream, and sudden storms account for many of the incidents that have occurred. Historical events like the disappearance of Flight 19, though tragic, have plausible explanations rooted in human error and environmental factors. The deep ocean floor and strong currents make it challenging to recover wreckage, adding to the illusion of ships and planes vanishing without a trace. What we don't know, and yet not every mystery has been solved. Why do some pilots and captains report strange sensations, like disorientation or time loss, before vanishing? Could there be unknown forces, geological, magnetic, or even psychological, at play in the region? Theories about extraterrestrials, Atlantis, and interdimensional portals, while unproven, persist in the public imagination. These ideas tap into humanity's fascination with the unknown, offering a sense of wonder that scientific explanations sometimes lack. Why the Bermuda Triangle endures. The Triangle's enduring appeal lies in its blend of fact and fiction. It's a place where the natural world's unpredictability collides with our deepest fears and curiosities. Stories of the Triangle remind us that even in the modern age, there are places on Earth where mysteries remain, fueling our imagination and inspiring exploration. The real lesson of the Bermuda Triangle is not just about danger or the unknown. It's about our drive to understand, to explore, and to seek answers, even in the face of uncertainty. Conclusion. The Bermuda Triangle may not be the supernatural vortex of legend, but it is still a place of wonder. Its natural phenomena and rich history of exploration and storytelling serve as a reminder of how much we've learned about our world and how much remains to be discovered. If this exploration of the Bermuda Triangle intrigued you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more deep dives into the world's greatest mysteries. What do you think? Is the Bermuda Triangle a myth, a misunderstood natural phenomenon, or something else entirely? Let us know in the comments below.